How to hide Instagram followers and following list. So today in this video I will be teaching you how can you do that. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update from our channel. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device. Once you open up this application, you will have to log into your account, and once you are logged in, you will be able to see the news feed or the home page from where you will be able to explore to various posts and videos. So as the first process, you have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and after that you have to tap on the three-part horizontal line at the right upper corner. So here are various options. Among them, simply go for settings and privacy. So you have to know that here is no any option for hiding your followers and following list directly in Instagram, but there is a trick. So the trick is you have to make your account private. So by doing that, only the people you approve will be able to see your following and followers list. So from over here you have to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see account privacy option. Simply tap on account privacy and you have to turn on this private account option. Simply tap on switch to private, and after doing that, other people on Instagram won't be able to see your followers and following list. Only the person you follow and who follows you will be able to see your followers and following list. So this is how you hide Instagram followers and following list. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.